Hello, mums and dads. This is Miss Bonnie Hussein. I wanted to share with you this really good game that the children can play in order to become fluent and in order to practice the patterns of twos, threes, fives, and tens. So this week, the objective is to be able to count on and back from any given number in twos, threes, fives, and tens. And this is an excellent way to practice that. So I've shared the website with you, and it is simply Counting Stick, which is on Top Marks. Now, when you click on the Counting Stick, you will find this page. So you can do the work horizontally or vertically. And even that is a great talking point to start with. So with the children, I talked about what is horizontal and what is vertical, and this will help them to make connections with other learning as they go through the year. So what you do is you choose either one. So I will choose horizontal. Then this page has all of the different varieties of counting steps in one, and then obviously if you have children who are older, they can do the decimal points, but you want steps of constant size. So you want steps of constant size, count back and be on count on from a small number. There you go. I'll click on that one. Now, once you get to this page, you are going to choose whether you want the children to practice counting on in twos, threes, fives, or tens. I'm going to choose steps of twos and I'll click it here. Now, once you click the two here, you must click OK, otherwise it will not show up here. So click OK, just like I've done. Now, this is fantastic. It's fantastic because you can start with the smaller numbers and go to the larger numbers. You can start with the larger numbers and go backwards. You can also start with any given number. So for example, this one is 12. And I could say to the children, which number do you think will be here? So the children have to reason about numbers. They have to think, am I going to be bigger or am I going to be smaller? Then you can continue like this. And then you can say, what about this number? What do you think this number will be? Remember, we are counting in twos. And there we go. Now you can set your child different challenges by getting them to predict, based on what they already know here, what a number will be that is further down the line. So you know that we're counting in twos. We have 10, 12, 14. With that information, what do you think this number could be? Or what do you think we started with here? So you can see children are achieving the objective of being able to count on in twos from any given number. Now we can reset it again. Go to 2, OK. Now we have 13. Now this is invaluable because children often think that we can only count in twos with even numbers. That is not the case. We can count in twos from any given number. They just have to know the strategy, which is to miss one number out. 13. We are counting on in twos. I wonder if you know which number this will be. I wonder if you're super clever and you've been practicing this for a while and you can tell me which number this will be. And so on and so forth. So please practice this The children absolutely love it, and a byproduct is that they learn so much. So it's a lot of fun, and of course, the main objective is for them to know how to count on and backwards in twos, threes, fives, and tens from any given number. And practicing is the best way to do it. So have lots of fun, mums and dads, and do let me know how you get on.